Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter of AGORACOM TV, a daily fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Tuesday, August the 23rd, sorry, I've got 5 press releases for you, all resources. Not a surprise given the fact that gold hit 1910 this morning, and silver is starting to hear rumors from the likes of Sprott that we're going over $50 into our all-time highs pretty quickly. So a lot of news out of these spaces. Let's get first up to Timmins Gold. Trades on the big board TSX on the stock symbol TMM. They announced that they intersected 4.57 meters, grading 8.13 grams ton of gold. This from their ongoing drill program at their San Francisco mine. It's an open pit gold mine in Mexico. The company says the results confirm the up dip continuity of the mineralized zones recently intersected beneath the currently planned pit bottom. That's important because they're in production. I'll tell you why. In fact, here it is. They've completed an aggressive 100,000 meter exploration program which commenced at the beginning of July 2011 and expect to be completed at the end of this year. That's 100,000 meters, folks. That's big. If you don't know about Timmins Gold, you should. This is a gold production company. They're already in production. They commenced in April of 2010. They projected production at a rate of approximately 100,000 ounces of gold per year. Do the math based on $1,900 gold right now at a life of mine cash cost of approximately $490 per ounce. Do the math there again. They closed yesterday at 268. Today, Timmins Gold trading 276, up 3% on 90,000 shares. The market likes this news. Their 52-week range, 299 on the high, $1.67 on the low. So a lot of very happy shareholders. Congratulations to my friends Bruce Arturo and Alex Takumas over there. Great job, guys. Continue the work. Next up, Jayden Resources, who have been on here a couple times in the past couple months. JDN is their symbol on the TSX. They announced what they're calling more high-grade results from their silver coin project. 25.24 grams ton of gold over 8 meters, including 99 grams over 2 meters and 5.79 grams over 27 meters. The company says these are results from 10 new holes from the planned 15,000 meter drill program at Silver Coin. The company says the results have the potential to make a meaningful contribution to the next resource estimate and further demonstrate the significance of the high-grade gold component. The company says they already have a 4301 compliant resource at the Silver Coin gold-silver deposit, which, by the way, is located in northern British Columbia. Closed yesterday, 50.5. Today, let me look it up here. There it is. Jayden hasn't traded yet. It's bidding ask at 15.5. That's where they closed yesterday. The 52-week range, 39 on the high, 11 cents on the low, $28 million market cap. Next up, Firebird Resources, TSX Venture, FIX. I love that symbol, FIX. They announced that they drilled 38.7 meters of 4.2 grams ton of gold. This on their Buzzard project in South Carolina, and that they're adding a second rig. That's always a good sign because they're putting their money where their mouth is. The company says these are drill results from a first hole of a 2,000 meter drill program. Pretty small, is drilled to a depth of 152 meters to confirm and extend the historic drill results. Now, I like that. It means they're not just poking holes, but they've got some history there. In that drill result, they included in that one was 11.3 meters of 11.31 grams per ton of gold. So they had some nice numbers there. Closed yesterday, 65 cents, $1.25 on the high, 40 cents on the 52-week low. Firebird today trading up nicely, 10 cents. That's up 50.5%. It's only on 26,000 shares. Nonetheless, the bid is at 73 and the ask is at 79. So shareholders are holding tight, and that's always a good sign. Next up, Nevado Resources, VDO on the venture. They announced that they drilled 71 meters, grading 65%. Looks like iron and 19.7% titanium. This on their wholly owned LeBlanc iron, titanium, vanadium property. Additional results, 95 meters, grading 56.9% iron, 16.9% titanium, and 111 meters, 10.5 meters, grading 44% iron and 13.1% titanium. I like these metals. I think they're going to be very valuable going forward. They closed yesterday at 32 cents, 74 in their 52-week high, 14 cents on the low. Nevado today unchanged, bidding 27.32, so it's not looking strong. But nonetheless, this is one of those dark horses that doesn't have a lot of action, and I thought you should know about it. And finally, a past trader of mine, that I made some good money in, and I'm still watching. It's taken a big drop, which is even more reason why you should be taking profits when you can in the juniors. International Northair Mines, INM, on the Venture Exchange announced they intersected 51.5 meters of 85.7 grams ton of silver. This is the La Chigata project in Mexico. It includes that number 13.7 meters of 239 grams. Let's call it 240 grams ton of silver in a separate hole, 21 meters grading 61.3 grams, including 8.7 meters of 115 grams ton of silver. They closed yesterday 29 cents, or 52 range, $1 on the high, 5 cents on the low. Unbelievable range. International Northair this morning trading down a penny to 28 cents on 265,000 shares. This is starting to get me interested again because it did do very well in the past, had some great results. So I may be looking. I'm looking at it right now. I'm looking at a few of them actually to potentially get back in. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity, 5 great stories for you. If you're looking for more great small cap resource companies and you watch this on Global Investor, then look below me or to the left of me, depending on the page you're on, to see other companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our directory to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.